Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you about fully charged alarm notification for iPhone. So let's start the video. First, you should open Shortcuts app. Click on Automation. Click Personal Automation. Scroll down and look for battery level. Click on battery level. Slide to 100%. Then click on next. Click on add action. Search for notification. Click show notification. Type anything here for your text notification. For example, I gave fully charged. Tap on next. Turn off ask before running. Tap on don't ask. Go back. Tap on forward icon and make sure that play sound toggle is on. Play for the preview. This was today's video. If you like the video, please like, comments and share the video. To get more iPhone tips and tricks video like this, subscribe to our Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.